A cascade of radiant electric shimmer played through her long, flowing back hair as though every strand held a plus of starlight. The fabulous and intrepid Samaraguides moved with a sublime implied confidence, telling silent tales of assurance behind each quiet thought. A majestic charm emanated from her presence. The grandeur of her image etched itself upon every observer's mind. The brilliance of her beauty seemed to kindle flames of admiration, a competitive fire that danced within her gaze. Her lips, tinted with a faint gleam of gold, unveiled the enigma of her loveliness, neither too proud nor too yielding, but perfectly poised between strength and grace. Samaraguides possessed a resolute courage and an empowered composure that allowed her to meet unfriendly times with serenity. Her heart cherished the tender affections of others, and her gentle sympathy soothed the sorrows she encountered. She inspired harmony within homes, trust within friendships, and bravery amid fear's shadow.